Today I'm going to go over the lattice method. So there's you could do the lattice method or the standard method. Some of us learned the lattice method in elementary school, and some of us may have learned just the regular way. But we're going to go ahead and go over the lattice method. Okay, so I have a problem here. I have 275 times 25. So when we're working with the lattice method, the first thing we need to do is make a box or a rectangle. So I'm going to make a rectangle, and I'm going to write my two numbers in. So we said it was 275 times 25. Okay, so I have a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 3 rows for 275 and 2 rows for 25. Okay, so I have a 3 by 2 box. After that, we're going to make diagonal lines. So we're going to go from corner to corner, corner to corner, and corner to corner. Okay, after that, it's just basic multiplication. So I'm going to start over here on the left-hand side with 2, and I'm going to multiply it by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, so I'm going to put 0, 4 in the box. Okay, then we have 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Then we have 5 times 2, and that gives us 10. Okay, then I'm going to work with 5 times 5, that gives me 25. 7 times 5 gives you 35. And 2 times 5, that gives you 10. Okay, after that step, all we're doing is adding everything up by rows or boxes. So I'm going to start with this row, and all we have is 5. So I'm going to move that down. I'm going to add everything up in this box. So I have 5 plus 2 plus 0, and that gives us 7. Everything here. So 0 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1, which gives you 8. 1 plus 4 plus 1 gives you 6. And then we have 0 here, so nothing. So we read our answer from left all the way to the right. So 275 times 25 gives us 6,875. That is how you do the lattice method. So I'm going to work with, let's do 75 times 25. Okay, so when we work that out, again, same thing. You're going to make a box or a rectangle, and we're going to write in our numbers. So we said we had 75 times 25. Okay, so we're going to make our rows and our columns. So this is going to be a 2 by 2 box. Then we're going to do our diagonals. So corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner. And then, like I said, just basic multiplication. So we're going to start with 7 times 2. That gives us 14. 5 times 2, that gives us 10. 5 times 5, that gives us 25. And 7 times 5, that gives us 35. And we're just going to go ahead and add up everything in the box. So we have 5 down here. 5 plus 2, that gives us 7. And we have 3 plus 4 plus 1, which gives us 8. And then we have 1 right here. I'm going to carry that down. So it says our answer is 1,875. So we can even check using the other way. So we have 5 times 5, again, 25, and we're going to carry our 2. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2 is 37, and we're going to put our placeholder. Then we have 2 times 5, which is 10. Okay, carry the 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. And we're going to add it all up. So we get 5, 7, 8, and 1. So we get the same exact thing both times, no matter which way you do it. So it is just a matter of preference, but again, this is how you do the lattice method.